Welcome back to BZmiatas. This is going to be Poe Part 2. We're going to start with working on the trunk carpet, then we're going to move on to working on the panels that attach to the side of the stock seats, then we will be working on our new steering wheel. It's about 110 out today, so I want to get this done quickly. Let's get started. Carpet's all buttoned up back in the trunk, and now we're going to move on to the panels. Okay, for the seats, these are the plastic trim pieces. So you can see these have been terribly painted black. The paint just kind of comes right off. Not in all the places. Some places it's too thin, so it doesn't peel as well. And it's just kind of there. So we use probably a light scrubbing pad. I don't even know if I'll use sandpaper. Yeah, I might, just to get these panels all prepped up so that we can paint them black and it'll last. I don't plan on having these stock seats in the car too much longer, but to have these looking nice, and then possibly when I go to sell them to still be looking nice would be, I think, worth it. Alright, none of the stuff I used worked. I tried Goo Gone, soap, brake fluid, brake parts cleaner, degreaser, isopropyl alcohol, red nail polish remover would probably work, but I think I got the thing just for it. work on those panels took a bit longer than it should have. Used a goof off to get the paint off, and then I used a 600 grit sandpaper just to scuff up the panels themselves. From the factory casting, they just kind of have a seal on them to where, from the molds, to where they don't really let anything adhere to them too well. Ideally, next I'd be using specifically SEM plastic primer. Really like that stuff in the past to paint bumpers, but I don't have any of that on hand, so I'm just going to be using general automotive, really meant for fiberglass and metals primer, and I'm going to prep up with some plastic and leather prep by Sem, and then we'll paint up those seat panels and the brackets for the battery tray. Alright, day 3. Yesterday we got the panels painted, let them dry overnight. They don't look perfect, especially the one where I used the rougher sandpaper, even though I did try and smooth it out with a lighter one. Just kind of creates little hanging tails and stuff off the plastic. Let's get these onto the seats. Now that the seats are in and the brackets for the battery tray are back in too, let's move on to the steering wheel. Alright, this is our new used wheel. It's Momo Gotham. It's got a little bit of wear on it, but overall, really nice. Actually came with a hub. Pretty sure it's the Momo hub, or just a cheap one on it. But I do have an NRG short hub and quick release. I think I might try this out first. So let's go ahead and get it in the car. the wheel is on, it's secured. The horn isn't working, I can sort that out later. I just wanted to finish up this video. I'm glad I got a steering wheel on, and I really like the look, the feel of it, the position's pretty good. With all that done, in the next video, we're going to be working on making brackets for our cluster. The ECU needs a second bracket, and then maybe we'll get one done for the AC. That could be a lot to fit into one video, as taking brackets, or making brackets, takes time. Then, yeah, we'll see how they turn out. Thanks so much for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and give this video a like. I'd appreciate it. And I'll see you next time. Bye.